We're in Kingsland, Georgia, about to ride the Christmas train. Are you ready, William? We're checking out the model trains in the museum. Super cool, huh? Oh, look, that one's the Yulee Amelia Island one. We're riding on the front, buddy. We're up here on the locomotive. So there's. We're gonna ride up here with the conductor or the engineer.
So it'll still be really good for me.
Watch your head.
Watch your head.
All right. 96, top on clear. I'm on board. Ready to go. Here we go. If it gets too windy, shut that wind door for yourself.
All right.
Yeah, it gets too warm. You can open the window.
Okay. All right, little William. He said we're cutting loose from the train. We're gonna turn the engine around.
Really just running light engine right now.
They're backing the engine up to go pick up the cars because they have to turn the engine around. All right, little William, here come the cars. Look, we're about to pass them. We're gonna go down to the other end and connect. You want to wave at the people?
Oh, look at all the people.
Can you wave? Hey, everybody. You have to wave, William. There's the enclosed cars. Oh, look, there's some more people right here.
Hey, we got away.
Can you wave? Hey.
Open the window and wave at
There we go. We're going to connect. Are you ready?
Stop just short. You'll see he's going to open up the angle cup. Because it was closed, this completely works as an air system. So he's got to open back up so when he puts the air through the train, we'll have brakes again.
See him down there, William? Talked on the radio. Here we go.
Rest over fine.
So now we're connected to the cars and we're going to pull them back to the station. You want to what? You want the cars back? We're going to take these train cars back to the station. All right, little William, we're almost back at the train station.
Hope you had fun, bud.
That was really cool. We even got dropped off first. Ready to go? All right, let's go ice skating with Santa now. You ready? Santa's on this train somewhere. We're gonna go ice skating with Santa now. Santa is on this train somewhere, but he's probably gonna take his sleigh and beat us to the ice skating rink. What do you think?
Yeah, probably.
Probably so. Can you wave? Well, what family, did y'all have a good time on that?
That was so cool.
That was really neat. William, did you like it? Yeah. All right, we're down Jacksonville ice skating now.
Put it in there.
In the bus?
Yeah.
Santa's probably on his sleigh, and he probably landed on the roof of this building. But be on the lookout for Santa. He's down here somewhere.
I just make them bad.
Let's go find him.
Here it is.
Oh, yeah. So, he'll probably sleep in.
That's okay, we'll sleep in as long as he wants. We're gonna make
Now we're
pancakes
ready.
and sleep in the morning.
Urgh.
I like your necklace, William. What do you have?
Oh.
Oh my, what a
You know,
nice.
Papa doesn't like anything more than a book. There's nothing in the whole world that I like more than books. Do you know what it says? National Parks. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna have mine for breakfast, cause I do like a sweet for breakfast.
I'm having mine right now. You having yours right now?
Eating snowman nutter butters?
What? Yeah.